Alright guys, so I got this video right here, and this video is absolutely 100% amazing. And I wanted to take b-boying back to its roots because I saw this video. This video basically told me, alright, I gotta stream this, or I gotta make a video about this, or I gotta make a reaction video or something. I had to get it out there, and I'm getting it out through this video right here, this stream right here. This video is going back to the absolute roots, but before breaking was actually breaking. And there's a guy that's got this channel, it's called The Vault. You guys have to check it out. He has an Instagram account, but he also has a YouTube channel. And I'll, once the live stream's over, I'll put it in the description down below so you guys can check this guy out. He makes absolutely amazing videos of the oldest footage you can imagine and stuff you haven't seen yet. Because trust me, I've seen a lot of stuff on YouTube, and I've seen all that old school black and white stuff. But after seeing this right here, he I don't know where he found all of this stuff, but this is amazing. So with breaking now being in the Olympics, I just thought it might be a good moment just to go back to the absolute roots and get that knowledge right, because of course you're going to see a lot of crazy stuff. We might just watch this twice. That's how amazing it is. All right, so let's go into this amazing clip right here. Don't forget, it's made by The Vault. I'll put the link in the description after the live stream, so whoever's watching this after can check it out. All right, so enjoy, my good friends. Enjoy, fellow subscribers. Oh, and the music's amazing as well, man. Look at that turtle, man. That's like from the 30s. Oh, look, Face T did that. We all saw this, but this is just packed with such rare footage. Absolutely amazing. Air babies. You know what I mean? Top rocking with style. Of course, they're not b-boys, they're not breakers, but look at how many things were actually already done before b-boy. Look at that rollback to headspin drill, headspin on the concrete and on the mats, shoulder freeze. Oh man, that music, bro. Alright, this maybe ain't b-boying, but it's definitely a hollowback, I'll tell you that. Coin drops. Before there were coin drops. That's deep. Look at that all around the world, baby. Does it better than most b-boys, man. Woo! He's traveling. Yo, this clip is amazing. With the music, it's like, it's enchanting. You know what I mean? It gets me fired up. I don't know why, but maybe it's because I love b-boying so much when I get to see its absolute roots. Well, maybe they might not be the absolute roots because this guy looks like Nagin, right? Like crazy. Yo, like that control is amazing. This looks like it's like in the 60s or 70s. Crazy positioning. Absolute crazy positioning. So much strength. Yo, these Russians, bro, also, man, I love the style, I love the flavor. A Spitzen spin right there. That's a pretty special backspin. Inverts. I love that roll, man. Kinda Superman windmills. This is crazy. This is like a kind of a windmill, right? But keeping that, like flower pot up there, like windmill headspin by keeping the flower pot on your foot. Little basic footwork right there, little foundation. Yo, you guys gotta agree, right? This video is amazing. I hope you hear the audio as well, because it makes it, I don't care if I get a copyright strike for this, man. This track is where it's at, you know what I'm saying? Once more, this video was brought to you by The Vault. They have an Instagram or the guy has an Instagram profile and he has like short clips, or his YouTube is absolutely packed with all these kind of things. And I thought, you know, sometimes, you know, we forget where it actually all comes from, and how it all got together, and how it kind of like found its home in the hip hop culture. It really makes you think, you know what I mean? And now we've reached a stage where there is no stage above that. You know, it has reached the Olympics, and it basically came, let's just say it came out of nowhere, man. Came all out of nowhere, and it got together, and it gets where it gets today, and that's amazing.